guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video of my renovation series, and this is the closet renovation part. What I'm going to do today is clean out the closet, take everything out, and then I'm going to go through all of my clothes and do kind of like a purging and just get rid of things that I do not need and do not wear. Then I'm thinking I'm going to paint the closet, but whether I do that or not, I will be removing these doors and we'll be taking out the wire racks that are currently in here, and then we will be putting in the closet storage system that my dad helped us make. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. First of all, sorry for the yellow lighting. We're in my bathroom and this is as good as it's gonna get. Second of all, it has been weeks. I mean, weeks and weeks and weeks since the last few clips you saw. Now, there's been a few reasons for this. One, upon installing the new closet system, there were quite a few hiccups, which is fine, but some things had to be ordered and they took their sweet time and something. That's just how it goes. Even now, it's not completely finished, but it is finished enough that I can show you. And I'm really excited to show you. I've been living with it like this for weeks now, and it's great. I'm really excited. Are you ready to see the final reveal? Okay, so let me explain a few things. First of all, this plant, it is not what's going to be going there. That's kind of a placeholder for now. What is going to be going there is a shelf in the middle, and we're going to store like hats and stuff like that. But for now, that's pretty, so that's there. Next of all, what I want to explain are these bins up here. I wanted to get something to help store stuff up there that looked nice and uniform, and I got these from Walmart, luckily enough for $1 a piece, which is still blows my mind, but they were on sale for $1 a piece. I mean, they usually go for at least 8 a piece at Walmart and even more than that elsewhere. So those right now, they are not all full. There are like my bathing suits, some random holiday decor like Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day and stuff like that. I think over here we've got some like dog stuff and then just some of my husband's old stuff like baseball cards and stuff like that. So let me explain how this works. Over here is mostly his side, and over here is completely my side. So I've got like short sleeve stuff up here. I've got longer things here because we had this shelf stopped so I could hang some dresses and stuff like that. Down here we've got more of like my sweaters and long sleeve stuff, and then some activewear shorts and sports bras and stuff like that. Over here on his side, we've got his, well, all of his shirts. And down here we have his jackets and my jackets, and then our laundry bin, and then we can hang our hangers right there. In our drawers, we've got his and hers underwear drawer. We have like his work shorts and stuff like that. We've got activewear. We've got like bedtime shirts / painting shirts, stuff like that. Then we've got bedtime and painting shorts and pants and stuff like that. Then I've got my tall shoes, and I've got some of my shoes under here, which you can't see them, which I think is kind of nice, but if you peek, you can see these are like my heels and stuff. Over here, I have some more shoes on the floor under here, like my tennis shoes and stuff. I have some of his pants here for now, but what we're going to be doing with all of our pants is I'm going to be getting hangers and hanging them on the racks. That's what I really want. Another thing that we're still waiting to get done down here, we just have to put the front for that kick stand, just the base there still needs a front to it. We're going to be replacing these poles because right now they're kind of stiff and hard to pull. But they do, let me try that again. They do close automatically when they get there. The new ones don't, but that's okay. And then we're going to be putting in reinforcements because the bar starts to bow down a little bit, so we're going to put reinforcements to help hold it up because my clothes are heavy. That is the closet. I'm so happy with it. We decided to leave the doors off so then it's just open, which is really nice. Oh, also something we're going to probably do in the future is change this light and make it recessed lighting and either have one or maybe two. And then we're going to replace that because I don't know if you can tell, but it's in bad shape. So we're going to just do a new board and then redo the sides and paint it and make that look nicer. But something I did in our renovation is I took the popcorn off the ceilings. I don't know if you can tell. It's a little bubbly, but you can't really tell that from here. And then painted it. So it's a nice kind of like greenish, bluish color, which I really like. You can't really tell much of what the color looks like. There you kind of can. Ignore the ceiling. That's stupid tape. So there you have it. My complete closet makeover. I'm very happy with it. Shout out to my dad. Thank you so much. This is amazing. And to my husband. He helped and did a great job. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. For you, it just was a few minutes. For me, it was weeks. Weeks and weeks. Not complaining though. Not complaining. No, not at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy makeovers and cleaning and organizing kind of stuff like this, I am going to be doing much more of that on my channel. So be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss that. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day.